First is to download FFmpeg. Check the link in the description and select your operating system. On Windows, unarchive the file you've downloaded and change the folder name to FFmpeg. Copy it on your C drive. Next, open up Command Prompt as administrator and type the following command to install FFmpeg and add it to Path in Windows, then press Enter. Next is to cut your video using VLC to include only the parts you want in the GIF. On the main menu across the top of VLC, click on View. Check the box next to Advanced Controls. The controls will appear at the bottom of the VLC window above the normal VLC controls. Use the slider to search through the video for the part you want to convert into a GIF, and locate the start point of your clip. Place the slider right where you want it to begin recording. Once you're where you want the clip to begin, click the red circle button at the bottom to start recording. Allow the video to play to where you want your clip to end. Then, press the record button again to stop it. Your clip will be located in Videos. Before proceeding, we suggest moving the video you created in the previous step to the FFmpeg folder on your C drive. Also create a new subfolder called Frames. Open a terminal window in this directory. Right-click on an empty space in the window to get a menu that allows you to open a terminal window. Type the following command to use FFmpeg to break up your clip. Make sure you replace name of clip.mp4 with the actual name of your video, as well as its specific format. In this example, our clip is called Outro, and it's in MP4 format. You're finally ready to use GIMP and put together your GIF. Click on File, then Open as Layers. Browse to the folder where you directed the frames to output from FFmpeg. Select all the frame images. Make sure that your layers are in the correct order. If they aren't, use the tiny arrows at the bottom of the layer space to move them around. You can preview your creation by clicking Filters, Animation, then Playback. If you like what you see, you can go to the next step. Click on Filters, Animation, then optimize your GIF. Before you can export your GIF, you're going to need to convert it from RGB to indexed. Go to Image, Mode, and switch from RGB to indexed. In the pop-up, set the maximum number of colors to 127 and press Convert. Finally, you're ready to export your GIF. Go to File, then Export as, and name your creation at the top. Don't forget to add the .GIF extension at the end. In the next window, check the box next to As Animation to automatically select the Loop Forever option. Congrats! You now have a working GIF created straight from your video file. You can, of course, repeat this process with nearly any video file, and make all sorts of GIF from anywhere.